after 16 months, the smile is back on the face of Bharti Reddy, wife of Jagan Mohan Reddy. Obviously, you're going to be very relieved to have him back, but also politically going to be a big boost for your party.
Yeah, I suppose it will be a good boost for the party.
You and your family obviously were missing him very dearly. And did you expect at all that today the bail orders may come?
You know, always that hope is there, yes. Again, that fear is also there, what if it doesn't? This is probably the 7th or the 8th time I think we are trying for bail. And it's been a seesaw of emotions the last 16 months. Seesaw of emotions.
You and your party supporters had been saying that this entire thing is a political conspiracy. Now, of course, your critics, people like Chandrababu Naidu, are saying that this is part of an understanding that the YSRC has come with the Congress.
Uma, this is 10 charge sheets have been filed against Jagan. He's been inside for 16 months. And Chandrababu Naidu, the High Court ordered a probe into him, a CBI probe into him regarding IMG and one other company, I don't recall which one. And not a step has gone forward. And the Andhra government is a minority government. It's a 146 seats what they have now. It's a minority government being supported by Chandrababu. Who is quid pro quo with whom? Who is having a deal with whom?
Even as Bharti Reddy is suggesting that it is the Telugu Desam which is propping up the Congress, the political voice in the family, Sharmila, who is Jagan Mohan Reddy's sister, has told NDTV that YSR Congress party may not be reluctant to support the Congress after the elections in 2014, or if it happens earlier too. You were not expecting even these bail orders to come. Your family and Jagan supporters have been saying that this is part of a political conspiracy. Now critics are beginning to say that this is part of an understanding that the YSRC has with the Congress.
No, we have, this bail was very much expected, because as you see, the Supreme Court had given 4 months ago the stipulated time to the CBI to finish the investigation and file the charge sheets. And also the Supreme Court had categorically said that once these charge sheets are filed, that we have the right to go to the lower court, and the lower court shall definitely consider. And that's what the court's done now. So I think this was absolutely expected, and we are glad that the wait is ended.